Discover the joy of a healthier and wealthier lifestyle with LIVEGOOD. Hey there, fabulous folks. Ready to embark on an adventure towards a healthier, happier you? Say hello to LIVEGOOD, your ultimate partner in crime for wellness and vitality. So, what's the buzz about LIVEGOOD? Imagine a place where top-notch nutrition meets boundless energy, a lot of fun, and a chance to make a lot of money. That's LIVEGOOD for you. We believe that living well shouldn't be a chore, it should be a blast. And guess what? We've got just the goodies to make it happen. Why LIVEGOOD? 1. Nutrient-packed products. Our range of health products is like a treasure chest of goodness. From superfood shakes that taste like dessert, minus the guilt, to vitamins that put a pep in your step, we've got it all. No more boring health routines, only delightful indulgence. 2. Community vibes. At LIVEGOOD, you're never alone. Join a vibrant community of like-minded wellness enthusiasts who cheer you on, share tips, and celebrate every milestone. It's like having your very own squad of cheerleaders. 3. Expert guidance. Need a little nudge? Our team of wellness gurus is here to guide you every step of the way. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned health aficionado, we've got the tips and tricks to keep you on track. 4. Fun and flexibility. Living well should be fun, right? That's why we've packed LIVEGOOD with exciting challenges, rewards, and surprises. Earn points for your healthy habits and redeem them for awesome goodies, because you deserve it. 5. Affiliate program. Earn while you live this healthy lifestyle. Ready to dive in? Getting started with LIVEGOOD is as easy as a sunny day. Simply sign up, explore our range of products, and join the fun-filled journey to a healthier you. Whether you're looking to amp up your energy, improve your nutrition, or earn extra cash, you can do it all while having a good time. LIVEGOOD has got your back. As mentioned earlier, the cherry on top, by joining LIVEGOOD's affiliate program, you can not only improve your well-being but also your bank balance. Imagine earning a great amount of money while promoting a lifestyle you love. It's a win-win situation. So, what are you waiting for? Let's make living well an adventure worth sharing. Dive into LIVEGOOD today and let the good times roll.